Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I did an upload, but you know, I was talking about the diesel treatments and such, which, I guess I should have mentioned that these were also for tractors and other vehicles besides just my own. Um, I think I still stand by Stynadine, but then again, people can take away with what they want. I've tried Diesel Clean, I've tried several others, but yeah, so far, I mean, I'm at 260,000 miles on this truck with no issues. So you can take it for what it's worth. It's just my opinion. Nothing more, nothing less. But I figured make a little short video, just kind of, I know I said about a year, but it took a lot longer to go through all the products, mind you. So that's why I'm just letting you know what I've discovered so far. I still get about 18. Of course, this is an '05 Duramax, so I get about 18 and a half miles per gallon. But that's never changed. It does run better with Stynadine that I've found. And I know a lot of the older trucks, yes, they used to use two-stroke oil in their diesel and stuff like that. Of course, these things will run on oil anyway, from cooking oil to, even motor oil. But yeah, I just want to do a little quick video, kind of start getting back in the game again. I've been really busy out at, working on the farms, so as you can tell, the truck's pretty dang dirty. So, but anyhow, thanks for watching.